Hey, this is Joe with H4H Remodeling. We're out here doing a progress video on a kitchen and bath renovation we've been working on. As you may have seen in some of the previous videos, there was a wall right here which we completely knocked down and put in a drop beam. But come check out this bathroom we've been working on. Last time you've seen in the video, it was probably completely demoed. Now we have all finishes installed. If you want to take a look, we've got a floating vanity, new countertop, lighted mirror, new toilet, deep soaker tub, slab surround, fresh tile. Check out the tile we've installed throughout the house. And if you remember in some of the previous videos, there was a big wall here. We installed this beam, opened this wide open, and now you can see why we've shrunken down this sliding glass door. It was a 6 foot wide before, but we had to create more space for these lower cabinets. So we're still waiting on some appliances to come in. We've got microwave goes here, dishwasher. We've got full height cabinets all the way to the ceiling. We've installed can lights throughout, can lights in the living room. So whether you got a kitchen inside or outside, big or small, give us a call. H4H Remodeling and Repairs.